Hello students, this is a sum for those students who are preparing for the JEE Advanced examination. So remember one thing, for them it means those who are JEE aspirant, for them just I want to tell you one thing only, that must prepare properly the graphical transformation and the graph. So you have to know the graph properly to solve the sum very easily. Just I am showing you one very good sum. Just see here, in this case the sum is given that fx equal to 3 minus box of cot inverse, and just see one thing, that numerator is 2x cube minus 3 and denominator is x square. So by any means we cannot neglect, we cannot cancel the x, and x greater than 0, and fx when x less than 0, this is fractional x square and cos of e to the power 1 by x. So thinking this in mind, let us try to solve, but remember one thing, you have to know the sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x. These four graphs are very important. Sec inverse x and cosec inverse x is not so much important. Okay, these four graphs are extremely important for solving the tricky question. So let's try to solve this sum. First of all, we have to know the what is the cot inverse x graph. Without graph also this sum can be solved, but let's know the proper concept behind this sum. So if we just, this is suppose x, this is y, and in this case if I suppose this line is a pi, it means line parallel to the x-axis, y equal to pi. Now I am drawing the cot inverses. Remember one thing, that domain and range of the sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x are very important. So in this case, if I just draw the rough diagram, so this is a thing, this is pi by 2, this is pi by 2. Okay, so this is y equal to cot inverse x. Now let's go on solving the sum. In this case, if we see the nature of the graph, that is limit x tend to 0 plus, we are seeing here that 3 minus box of cot inverse minus infinity it is. Why it is? Because you see one thing, denominator is x square, if we put x equal to 0, so this is coming minus 3 by 0, that is minus infinity. So as we know that from the curve, that when x tend to minus infinity, so y, the graph is tending towards pi. So we can write here limit x tend to 0, 3 minus pi, the box of pi is 3, so 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, right hand limit equal to 0. Let us come to the left hand limit. In the left hand limit, we can write here limit x tend to 0 minus, so box of x, sorry, it is fractional x square into cos of 1 by x. So we can write this as here 0 into cos of, so it was what? Sorry, it is cos of e to the power 1 by x, and in this case we can write here cos of e to the power minus infinity. So this is coming 0. Now we can say right hand limit equal to left hand limit, and f0, it is given that it is continuous at x equal to 0, therefore it is continuous, therefore right hand limit, so f of 0 equal to 0, since right hand limit equal to left hand limit. Okay, so everybody subscribe the channel, and this type of videos regularly I will give you. Bye everyone.